Hey Stefan, good morning. I just want to provide you with the updates for your website. So I spoke with the team, and I believe the best option to proceed with, and of course, if you agree, is to go with this template, as we already created a very nice template as per your preferences, since the other template doesn't have any of these custom option to make the tweaks and changes, but to integrate certain sections from your uh, Ottawa Homes, Ottawa Buyers website. So we were thinking when they click on Browse Listings, it can go to this page where they can browse the listing from the feed. Uh, Sell your home, it's okay. It's a landing page. Book a consult will keep it. Sold price will be also connected to the sold prices from Ottawa Buyers. Communities, when we click on each community, it will go to Ottawa Buyers, that community page with the listings. I think that will work perfectly. Services is everything is good. Now, regarding this one, since the search will not work here, I would like to have your opinion on this. We can keep the top listings and maybe create a button which will go to the search on Ottawa Buyers, or even we can just remove the entire search bar because it's not working. So please let me know on this section. Listings will be the same. The listings are your and your brokerage listings, so it will pull it out automatically, and everything else is good. I believe that this option will work because that way we don't have to create a new account for you. It can be everything under one account, and every lead that goes from this website will be in the same account, so you can work with that. Please let me know if that works for you, and I'm expecting my team to create these links to these pages that needs to be added there, maybe even today, and I'm going to send it to you so you can review it, and we will start from there with your feedback and comments. I hope this works for you. Let me know. Thanks.